Hey, everybody, and welcome to another Amerlux Garage Showcase. My name is Bill Plegeman. I'm Vice President of Marketing at Amerlux, and today we're going to talk to you about Quickline 1.5 Pendant. Quickline was designed for the design build market, that fast construction. It was looking at those guys typically use mid to low range quality lighting products. They're looking for fast delivery. They're looking for something possibly even right off the shelf. They're looking for something that's easy to install and requires no engineering drawings for placement of lighting fixtures or special wiring. It's as simple as it gets, it's fast as it gets, and it saves them a lot of money, and it ultimately saves the end user a tremendous amount of money. So how does Amerlux get involved? Amerlux is a architectural specification grade manufacturer. And how would we want to try to get into the design build market and make something that's more enticing to a contractor or design build firm? So first we took a look at the basics. What does a fixture need to be? Fixture needs to be a direct or a direct indirect option in either 8 watts or 14 watts on the direct indirect, or a 4 watt and 7 watt per foot on the direct only version. It's available in a 3000 Kelvin temperature, 35 Kelvin temperature, and a 4000 Kelvin temperature with an 83 plus CRI, which is good color rendering for an office space. Also 4 foot, 6 foot, and 8 foot run lengths that make it really simple to count the number of fixtures off the design, place the order, and get it to the job site. So looking at just those basics, we got to work, developed the fixture, and then what else does it need to do? So taking a look at some of the fixtures that they use currently on the design build market, we found out that most of the pendants, if not all of them, required the contractor to have to remove the LED board from the fixture in order to hang it or in order to supply power to it. So when they do that, they have all kinds of problems. Driving screws back through the LED board that fry the LED board, or you go past the LED board and go right into the driver. The lenses get stepped on or broken or lost. It just creates problems, and it creates time delay. So we wanted to make sure that we created a product that didn't need to remove the LED board or the lens out of the fixture in order to install it or hang it or power it. We also wanted to make sure that the fixtures were extremely easy to understand and to order. They all middle of run lengths. So there's no beginning of run, middle of run, and end of run. They're all middle of run, and I'll get into exactly how they fit here shortly. Also, we wanted to make sure that the fixtures shipped quickly. We wanted to make sure that you could get them to the job site. So if the distributor didn't have them on the shelf, they don't need them on the shelf. The distributor quite frankly, doesn't want to put them on the shelf. That they would be able to get these products delivered to the job site without any problems. So shipping in as little as 72 hours. So we take a look at that, and what we came up with is Quickline 1.5. It's a 1.5 inch aperture. As I said, it's all middle of run, so every fixture gets shipped just as you see it here. There is alignment pins, an alignment bracket. There is quick connect power feeds from fixture to fixture. There is a quick drop ceiling power feed that simply connects to the power of the fixture in the beginning of the run, and then it just runs right down that row in regards to how long the run length is. It's available. It's got 2 knockouts, got a power here thing. So if there were an emergency fixture that you wanted to locate somewhere along the line, you have the ability to drop in yet a second power feed for that emergency. Pretty well thought out. I'll give you a little closer look at what that end cap sort of looks like. So you see your alignment pins, your alignment bracket, and your wire through quick connect. There's also a little feature on the back of the fixture that we think is pretty cool. It's called catch and latch. The catch and latch allows you to pull the adjoining fixture extremely tight to one another. So you don't have any gap. You don't have any serpentine running down the row. You want those fixtures to be as straight as possible. And when you do that, you get that really nice seam. So you can see that you don't have a seam in between the fixtures. It's extremely clean. And again, no serpentine. So we take a look at it. So I think we solved most of the issues that they were having, but we wanted to take it a step further. So taking it a step further is really elevating it into that performance spec grade type of luminaire, but holding the pricing to where that you can afford it to put it on a project. Came up with more. Who doesn't want more? More ice cream, more cake. Count me in. I'm in. We wanted to take a look at exactly what it is that we could do to elevate this. First of all, there's dual circuiting on the fixture. You can control the indirect lighting from the direct lighting. We also took a look at emergency units. You can order the emergency unit in a 4-foot, 6-foot, or 8-foot version and place it anywhere along the line. And it's simple to drop the power or the separate circuit, the emergency circuit, right into that unit. So that's not an issue. You can put it anywhere you like. And you don't have to remove the lens or the LED board to install it, which is just a fantastic thing. The other thing was light leak. We really took a look at what the light leak. There was issues with light leak. First of all, there's issues in between the fixtures. So we've installed on every fixture, you get this little white guard. There's one on both sides of the fixture. That prevents the fixture from leaking light. So basically, you see it right there in the middle. Once you push this thing closed, you've got your catch and latch. You reach over, you grab that other one, pull it tight. Now you've got a virtual seamless connection between two units and no light leak between the unit either. Then we took a look at the end cap. A lot of times you get a lot of light leak at the end cap, or you get direct exposure to the LED die itself. With our end cap, our patented end cap, you've got this little flap. And if the lens on every unit, anyone's unit, they shrink. As that lens shrinks, this little flap follows that lens as it shrinks to prevent any direct exposure to the LED die, which could be very harmful to your eye. So we've made this product a pretty high-end type of performant product. Very well likely that the design build could possibly get a couple extra bucks on the rental or the lease of the space by elevating the quality of the lighting product alone. So then we took a look at what else. And what I wanted to point out in this version is the what else is, it's not only for the design build. We've launched it, we marketed it for the design build for the contractor. But I tell you what, this product is an extremely high performing type of product. It's perfect for any application. For your general run-of-the-mill office building that's popping up, to your high-end offices that require a little better quality of light, Quickline fits that to a T. It's fast design, fast takeoffs. Why wouldn't you want any job to be that way? It's fast shipping. It's fast installing. It's easy installing. And then here's the secret. It costs less than the Linea 1.5 by Amerlux. Yeah, the Linea 1.5 does offer a lot more options in regards to tunable white and dim to warm and louvers and different finishes. Yeah, it does. It's there. But not all jobs require all that. A lot of jobs, if you want to get a nice high-end job, this Quickline, it stays perfectly straight. So it's not a cheap industrial pendant fixture. It really does look architectural. You can do patterns and designs on the ceiling. You can run between slats. You can deliver indirect lighting in a space, which is one of the most comfortable lighting applications you could possibly want to work under. So Quickline is not just for design, build, or contractors. Use it every day in every one of your designs. Just want to recap, Quickline it's a high-end mid-grade fixture, if you want to call it something. It ships in as little as 72 hours. It installs right out of the box. It doesn't get any better than that. You got a happy contractor, means a happy architect. Boy, the days of designing and then getting the phone call from the contractor that there's a problem with the lighting fixture on the job site, and then you have to take the whole day to go over and find out what the problem is, those days are over. You simply design with Quickline, move on to the next project. Contractor's not going to call you. He's going to love you. Another secret that you may not know of is Quickline is now available in a recessed version. In a 4-inch aperture, it's available with a flange. It's available in a grid. and it will make any job look fantastic. No light leaks, installs quickly, ships quickly. It doesn't get any better than that, especially if you're a designer designing a building. You want to make sure you just don't have any problems, right? Thank you very much for your time. For more information, you can email me at illumination@amerlux.com, or you can reach out to our website at www.amerlux.com. There's a list of direct salespeople for Amerlux, as well as all of our agents throughout the country. That'd be more than glad to stop by when we're finished with this quarantine. Stop by your office, give you a full line demo. But we're here to help you. We can help you do layouts. We can help you with any questions that you might have. Feel free, reach out to us. Glad to help. With that, thank you very much for your time. Stay safe. Till next time.